And I'll call you a turkey breast.
I'm not turkey breast.
Well, you could be. I could call you one though.
I'm cranberry breast.
You're pepper breast.
No, yeah, pepper.
You're yellow pepper breast.
Yeah.
That's even worse than regular pepper breast.
Yeah.
All right, who's gonna? Me?
No.
No?
Oh.
Oh!
You okay?
Grass castle. Make a grass castle.
Um,
While you're down there, make a grass castle.
well, I can't.
Why?
Because
You too busy?
yeah.
Getting splashed by me? Ready?
Well, what if you, like, when I say I'm going to blast you with me?
Oh, if you blast me with that, I'll splash you. I can guarantee.
Well, this, you blast me, I'll blast you. Blast you means
You did it yesterday. You shot that at me yesterday. You shot that at me yesterday.
Like,
Remember? And it deflected off my hand?